Okay, here we are at the temporary dump site, and we're really confused with some of the things that are going on here. First off, it's super high winds and stuff's blowing right out of the berm. They're putting it on the downside of it. We can tell right here, this is where it was flooding and overflowed almost. You can tell how high the water actually went in there. But now, instead of addressing that, what they're actually doing is just making a berm out of dirt way over the liner. Like you're talking 6-8 feet above the liner. And now they're gonna, look how big this is. And they're putting the trash all the way down here in the center. What do they think is gonna happen out of this? It's pretty obvious. If you put a dirt berm like this, as soon as this fills up with water, displaced by the trash like a tea bag, it's gonna pretty much do this. This is on the same site, just right up the ways, and they're pumping the water out of that reservoir into here, and in just an hour or so of pumping, you can see it's already just coming through. I mean, this is like not rocket science. I'm really confused. This needs some oversight. People need to look into what is the proper protocol for this. This just seems ridiculous if you look at what's happening, but this is happening.